Today we're gonna take this capybara and morph it with this piggy. You see, this is awesome for this kind of effect. Interesting, huh? Let's see what's happened. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome to my channel. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. You see, shape-shifting, morphing, or blending between two objects is a little bit tricky in Houdini. And I have wanted to do that for a long time. Why? Because of this. You see that? This is my inspiration. Underworld franchise, or this one, you see that? Amazing. Okay, let me show you what we have in here. As you can see, we have this test geometry capybara, and I have this bone deformed to it, and I resample the time, I make it slower, and I delete unnecessary part. I kept the head only. And on the other hand, we have this piggy. Simple, yeah? And I translated that to match the transformation, excuse me. And yeah, let me merge that and let's see the overlap version of it. You see that? Amazing. And I want to do a blending or shape shifting with that. You see, we have the animation with capybara, but the piggy, we don't have anything. So I want to transfer this animation to that using point deform, easy. And I use this object merge to have a clean setup of the scene because it will be messy. So I have a time shift to frozen the frame at frame 1, and voila, we have our animation. But we have some issue here, and I want to adjust the radius. And yeah, this is our animation, and boom. Let's go back and see this amazing tutorial about muscle system in Houdini 20. And yeah, let's go back in this scene, and I have this muscle setup, as you can see, for the ears. Amazing, you see that? Wow. And this is simple with this subnet network. I create this one with Shift C or this icon to have a cleaner setup. And yeah, this is a simple setup with Franken muscle, blah blah blah. You can see that on the previous tutorial. And of course, I have this one for a bone deform. And yeah, I create an object merge for that. Simple. Okay, now let's research about shape shifting or blending or morphing between two objects. I don't know. Okay, let's begin with Google. Let's Google that in sidefx firm. Okay, this is my favorite. Of course, this is outdated firm. And yeah, as you can see, oops, what's happening? Okay, I got to my website accidentally. And yeah, this is my Patreon. We have amazing tutorial on it. And yeah, you can check this out. And big shout out for these awesome people on my Patreon. Thank you guys for supporting me. And yeah, a full version of this tutorial, it's available only on my Patreon. So I researched about that in Reddit and sidefx forum, and yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's begin. First, let me search blend. What we have in blend option? Okay, we have blend shape. Nice. It's easy apparently. So awesome. I connect these two objects, and yeah, let's see what's happening. And yeah, okay, let's have a blending. Oh boy, what's that? Okay, that's horrible. Okay, I think blend shape need a same topology, so nothing happening. And another thing, we have blend sequence blend, and this is the same. Okay, I thought that's easy. Okay, we don't have anything. Okay, now let's try another approach. The guys suggest to blend the position attribute. So I have this attribute transform, and let's check allow P attribute. And yeah, what is that? Man. Okay, I think we're gonna have a rough time with that. That's not good. Okay, of course, some of you guys have many approach and many suggestion, and if you have any of that, leave me in the comment section. It will make me happy to see your idea. And yeah, what we're gonna do, let's try again and see what's happening in here. Okay, the blend, we have this amazing volume mix, and he have a blend method in here, mix method, and for that of course we need volume for this node. I will use VDB from Polygon. I want to use SDF volume, and as you can see, we don't have anything in here. Let's preserve the holes, and we have our geometry in here, as you can see. Okay, this is good. And let me duplicate that for the piggy, and yeah, something is happening here. And as you can see, okay, amazing. We have something. This is blending with between two volume, as you can see. Okay, some spark of the hope. Oh my God! Amazing. And let me convert that to the polygon. And yeah, let me see that. And yeah, it seems working without any identical topology. And of course we have this nasty artifact. I guess it's good for the phase one. And yeah, amazing. You see, we have some transition between this one and this piggy. I guess this is success. So if you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and share it with your friend if you want. So because we have a VDB setup, we need to bring all the attribute back. So after that, I have this attribute transformation. I want to transform this attribute, the sharp material and the UV, for example, to the result. And I will use attribute transform because we're going to project this attribute to this new geometry. As you can see, I enable the vertex and the detail primitive. You see, we have the sharp material and the UV because the UV in the vertex class. So as you can see, we have something in here that's amazing. And of course, if you want to blend two material together, or two UV, or using a texture, you can do that with another attribute transform. Let me show you. We have a texture or shader on the piggy, so I duplicate that, and as you can see, we have now all the attribute of the piggy. And of course, you can blend this attribute together. For example, you can use attribute combine. You can combine this one at the render, of course, context. And as you can see, we have a blend option, copy, etc. You see, because it's not my goal in here, I will not go deep in that. And yeah, this is basic workflow, and that's amazing. You see, this is the result. This is a blending. So because I don't like this blending, you see, blending shape, I want to use something like morphing effect. So let me search. Do we have any morphing thing in here? Let's type morph or morph. Cool, we have VDB morph. That's amazing. So let's see, what is that on the help. Okay, DVDB SDV operation that backsource narrow. Okay, this is for the geniuses. Okay, I think so. I saw that on the research. The guys use that on the solver SOP in SOP level, and yeah, it will connect this one to this and the second one to input 2, and it will copy that over a frame and it will morph that. You see? Not bad. Okay, not bad. So for the sake of this demonstration, because I don't want to go to subsolver back and forth, I will delete that and I will use it in the sub level without the solver. And as you can see, we have this time step, sorry, and we can manipulate that. You see? Okay, it will get a value. So I want to use $t multiplied by 3, and it will be the time, the second, and multiply by 3, as you can see. So this is the morphing and this is the blending. Honestly, it's personal preference. I like the morphing better. You see that? Amazing. The ears, boy, love it. So I want to carry on with the morphing now. So as you can see, but we have a problem with that. This approach, the VDB approach, have a changing topology or changing point number over time. So this will be a headache for the shading or anything else. You see, for example, if I select this part and if I play that, you see the selection will change because the point number or primitive number will change. So I want to have this kind of thing clean, you see, clean without any artifact, and you see that without any topology transformation, and all the texture in here is working. So how we can do with that to use it in production level, as you can see, that will be amazing. So we're gonna discuss that on my Patreon. If you're interested, I will see you there. Peace out.